Hi everyone and welcome to IT Gateway, where we help you kickstart your IT career. In this video, we'll cover the basic skills you need to set before starting your journey as an IT support engineer. If you are planning to enter the IT field or want to strengthen your foundation, this is the perfect place to begin. Stick around because I'll show you some practical examples along the way. Let's dive in. Here are the key skills we will cover today. Understanding operating system and file structures, basic networking knowledge, and we'll also discuss like troubleshooting and problem solving, customer service and communication skills, and at the end we'll discuss more on remote support tools. So in today's video we'll be covering mostly on the topic because I'll make the future video more on details, like more on operating system, more on networking and all. So today we'll only covering the basics. So understanding operating system, let's go with the operating system now. So understanding operating system and file structures. As an IT support engineer, you'll often work with operating system like Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So there are a few other operating system like Android and all, so we will work on that as well, but it depends on company, like what kind of company you are working with. So it's a crucial to know how file structures are organized. For example, on Windows, you should understand how to navigate the file explorer, locate system folders like program files or app data, and understand the file extension. So learning these basics helps you troubleshoot common issues like missing files or broken shortcut. This kind of like troubleshooting part you can work it out with the operating system. So these are just the basics, so what we can like make our foundation, but in future video definitely, as I mentioned before, I'll make on more details. Like Windows is not like just basic files and all, so there are a lot of things to know. But if you start your career with these things, so definitely it will help you to go your career in IT field. So let's go with the next one, networking. Networking is another essential skill you need to develop. So you will need to understand how devices connect, the basics of IP addresses, like different types of IP addresses, like there are private IP addresses, public IP addresses and all. So you need to know basic of these things so to start your career. So and how to troubleshoot common connectivity problems. So there are few way how we connect and how we find the issues. So mostly we'll do in command prompt. For example, I'll show you a quick one. So if you like just type like ipconfig, so you'll get the understanding of your like IP, like what's your IP addresses. So this is a private IP addresses, and what is subnet mask, so what is default gateway. So you'll get the idea on these things. So there are lots of things you can try and you can check, like there are ping operation, there are a few other things. So definitely I'm gonna explain more on future videos. So after that, so the troubleshooting and problem solving. So troubleshooting is at the heart of the IP support. So definitely, like whenever you start your career as an IT support, your main job is to troubleshoot and problem solving. So the client will come to you, or maybe they will give you a call and they will ask like, oh, printer is not working, my computer is not working, the software is not working, network down. These are the things we will solve in a daily basis. So start by asking this question like, what changed? Can the issue be reproduced? Have you tried restarting? These all are the common terms we will use in every day. Like for example, so most of the IT issues will resolve by restarting the computer, updating the Windows, like basic troubleshooting. So these all are the things we can start asking with the client, whoever raising the call for you. Asking the right questions and following a systematic approach can save your and client times a lot. So the thing what I'm trying to say is, like, for example, if you are specific on like issues, like what kind of issues he's raising, so if you're asking step by step approach, so that will solve like 50% of your job. So moving on, so let's go with the customer service and communication skill, the similar thing. So customer service and communication skill is basic for all kind of job. So if you have a good communication skill, you will it will make your job even more easier. Being an IT support engineer is not just about technical skills. So it's about helping people. You need to communicate clearly, stay patient, because you can see people are very angry because of the computer. They have to waste lots of time and lots of issues they are facing with the computer, issues like printer issues. So you need to be patient and explain solution in simple terms. Like, for example, what you can say, like, one guest calling you regarding they're having printer issues, and it's their payroll day or something like that. So definitely he won't be happy. He might be in a loud voice. So the thing you can, as a IT technician or IT engineer, you have to understand, like, with your communication skill, calm down and try to understand what the issue they are facing and give them a proper solution, like step-by-step solution. So these are the skill you need to know. The ability to emphasize and reassure clients is what sets great IT professional apart. So yeah, moving forward, so let's discuss more on remote support tools. So remote support tools are the tools, like whenever, like, client calling you from outside of your office, so you can connect with the remote support tools to their computer or to their devices, network devices, and then you can give support to them. So they are basic tools like remote desktop tools, team viewers, AnyDesk. These are the easiest, like most of the company they use like AnyDesk, team viewer, so it's easy, user friendly. But if you are working with the MSP, so they have to deal with like thousands of computer, because they are the MSP's company. So they have like the particular remote support tools. So remote support tools, it depends on company to company. So if you are working in a single company, definitely you can use like Windows remote desktop, team viewer, or AnyDesk. So if you are working in the big companies like MSP, IT support company, they might have their like support tools inbuilt. So it depends on the scenario. So finally, let's talk about some remote tools they are using in day-to-day basis that I mentioned just now. And also there are a few other tools. They are free, but definitely we don't recommend to use free tools because they don't provide patches, updates, and security. So either try to use with the Windows, or try to go with the like proper subscribed remote support tools. So yeah, and today that's it. These are basic skills you should set before starting your career as an IT support engineer. So master these and you will be off to the great start. If you found out this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more IT career tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover in future videos. And thanks for watching today, and see you in the next video. Thank you.